Chapter 33. Using a payphone. The old man wants to contact his nephews on the phone for urgent case, but his phone is out of order. He has to use payphone. He goes to the phone booth. He clears the coin box. He picks up the receiver. He takes some coin out of his pocket. He inserts the coin into the machine. He listens to the phone. He dials the numbers. He hears the engaged songs. He hangs up the receiver back. He takes the coin out of the machine. He has to wait a few minutes. While he is waiting, he whistles a tune. He's very long-tempered. He tries again. This time, he hears the calling tone. A few minutes later, his nephew answers the phone. In this way, he can contact his nephew on the phone.